engineers have developed is the power station. It uses no gas, no diesel, no fossil fuels. It generates 60 kilowatts of electricity and runs 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and 365 days per year. A single power station generates a minimum of 525,600 kilowatt hours annually. It occupies 5 feet by 7 feet of floor space and is 5 feet high. Turn a wind turbine, which turns a shaft, which turns generators to produce electricity and to maintain a charge on the batteries. The 12 magnets in our motor are so strong they could each lift 1,000 pounds. When situated in such a way in the motor, they triple the horsepower, creating more torque than motors 3 times its size. When wired in parallel, 7 power stations generate almost 420 kilowatts of power, or more than 3.6 million kilowatt hours annually. For large installations, power stations are permanently installed in a shipping container and wired in the factory. The containers can be double-stacked and wired together in parallel. The installations are scalable up to 50 megawatts or more of continuous electrical power. That's enough electric power to run a large manufacturing plant, or a university, or a small town, or even an island. It's a great solution for developing countries where there is limited access to fuels. The power station can tie into the existing grid by tying into the substation. And yet, an individual power station can be used to power a small business. It's easy to understand why the power station is the approved technology solution. Each power station is so dependable, it comes with a 10-year warranty backed by insurance from Lloyd's of London. Final assembly happens in one of 3 locations in the U.S. Once in a container, the 7 units can be shipped anywhere in the world, by sea or on trucks. What does this mean to your company? What would it be worth to produce and monitor your own electricity? No more blackouts, no more brownouts, no more equipment damage due to erratic power supply. Greatly reduce your dependency on the grid. Lower your electricity costs significantly. Remain on the grid, but use the grid for backup. The Joule Box Power Station can produce all the electricity you'll need, because the Joule Box Power Station is clean and renewable energy. The government offers tremendous incentives for purchasing your own power station. Never worry about your power company's price increases again. The best news of all is the Joule Box Power Station pays for itself by using the money you save on your electric bill. You have an immediate reduction in electricity charges, and the purchase of the power station costs about the same on a monthly basis. There's no real cost to own. Give your representative your electric bill and be sure to include all your electric costs, including distribution. We will examine your usage and kilowatt-hour demand and see if you qualify. We'll show you how much you'll save each month.